Today I'm going to make a marinating sauce. This is perfect, for example, if you're going to barbecue some beef this weekend. I got this recipe from the father of a friend years ago, and it's one of the few recipes I've kept as I've moved from here to there. All you need are vegetable oil, wine vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, onions, salt, and pepper. So with a little mixing bowl, you're going to add a half a cup of salad oil, then a fourth of a cup of wine vinegar of your choice. There's a variety out there to choose from. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, new bottle. Didn't realize that we had to do it drop by drop. Yes, I do love this. A fourth a cup of chopped onions. 1 teaspoon of salt. And a half a teaspoon of pepper. Stir it up and pour it over your meat. Now I like to do it the night before, so I pour it over my meat, cover my meat, and put it in the refrigerator. But you can also do it the same day, and you would just let your meat marinate for 3 hours at room temperature. So I hope you'll use this recipe the next time you barbecue.